There is something that is captivating about the raw power and beauty of a waterfall. In this video, we are on a mission to experience that magic firsthand, right here in the majestic Pisgah National Forest. Join us as we embark on a journey to 4 distinct and unforgettable waterfalls that you could easily visit in just one day. Well, first on the list is Glass Falls, which is right there. And we're going to drive up and see what other waterfalls that we can find. So you park on the side of the road. They got ample parking, well, as long as there's not a lot of people here to see the waterfall. And the waterfall is right off the road, so on this one there is really not a hike to it, but if you want to see a waterfall, this is a good one to start out with. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of splashback. It's a little cold. The impressive 60-foot waterfall is one of the most popular waterfalls in North Carolina and perhaps one of the easiest to view. Alright, so right behind me is Glass Falls. Not a bad waterfall to start the day out with. The name Looking Glass comes from the rocks beside it, where the water freezes on the sides in the winter and glistens in the sunlight just like a mirror. The best time to see this waterfall is early in the morning or weekdays to avoid the crowds. Yep, now you have to cross. Well, that's the first waterfall. Let's go see what's next. This is Glass Falls. And as you can see, it is right near the road.
Pretty spot.
So next up is more Cove Falls, and this one's fairly busy. We've got a lot of people coming up and down. And we've got a bridge to start out with, and then a whole lot of stairs. So we just passed somebody who asked us if we knew where the waterfall was. We kind of thought it would be at the end of this trail, so we may not see the waterfall. We're going to keep walking a little bit further just to see. All right, good news is we're going up again, so maybe there is a waterfall. If not, people watching this video are going to laugh at us that we couldn't find the waterfall. Haven't found it yet. There is water down there. Well, the good news is we passed somebody else and we asked them if there was waterfall. Oh, look at that.
What is this?
Oh no, recording was paused. Snail in a shale.
Really, but I'm down.
Yeah, limbo. I don't think you can make it. Alright, this water's gonna be cold, but I got a hat on. The hidden jewel of Cove Falls is one of the few waterfalls that you can walk behind. The 1.5 mile round trip hike is well worth the effort to view this 50-foot tall waterfall. All right, well, we found that waterfall. The hike was a little bit further than we expected for it to be off the road, but hey, that's no big deal for us. We don't mind a hike. Now let's see what else we can find. Let's go, more adventures await. Look at this rock structure. It almost looks like it could be a fence or a wall, but nope, that's a rock. So we're getting close to getting back. You can see the cars again, which means soon we'll have steps. But the steps are going down, so it's going to be all right. At Sliding Rock each summer, thousands of children and adults slip and slide down this favorite natural waterfall in Pisgah National Forest. The 60-foot flat sloping boulder is fueled by 11,000 gallons of water flowing down the rock each minute. Sliding Rock looks like it'll be some fun in the summertime. I don't know about the whole 55-degree temperature water though, because I don't like that cold water. But yeah, we're definitely not dressed to try it out today. Let's see what else we can find on this adventure. We are now looking for the fourth and final waterfall. Let's hope that we can find this one because some of the roads are closed from Helene. That happened 8 months ago or so, back last fall. And so we're just kind of taking what trails we can to try to find it. We have some running water up ahead, and there's a bridge that we're going to check out. Hopefully we're getting close, because it's been one walking day. Log Hollow Falls is a 25-foot cascading waterfall. While it's an easy 1 mile round-trip hike to reach, it is still a hidden jewel that many waterfall lovers miss. To reach this waterfall, you follow Forest Service Road 5043, which is closed to vehicle traffic. Thank you all for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. Hit that bell notification to get a reminder of future videos. A special thanks to our channel members. If you'd like to further support the channel, become a member and get an awesome little dolphin beside your name to show off your support.